How do historians handle sensitive sources ethically? Imagine uncovering a story from the past that involves private letters or confidential government files. How do historians make sure they respect the people and cultures involved? That's what we're exploring today. Historians handle sensitive sources with a lot of care to keep everything fair and respectful. First, they protect privacy by sometimes anonymizing sources. If a letter or interview could hurt someone or reveal private details, they change names or details to keep identities safe. They also follow any promises made about keeping certain information secret. Next, they try to be open about where they got their information. But if sharing details could cause harm or break privacy rules, they might choose to withhold some parts or delay sharing. This way, they keep a balance between honesty and safety. Honest representation is very important. Historians do not twist or fake sources to fit their ideas. They present facts as they are, even if the evidence challenges their opinions. They add context so others can understand the source's background and what it might mean. This keeps the story truthful and clear. When they gather oral histories or interviews, they explain how the information will be used. They work with the people sharing their stories to make sure everything is recorded correctly and respectfully. This helps everyone feel comfortable and confident in the process. Historians also disclose if they received any funding or help from others. This keeps their work transparent and honest. If they worked with colleagues or assistants, they give them credit. It shows their research is fair and open. Handling cultural objects or human remains requires special care. Historians follow strict rules to avoid damage or illegal activities. They make sure materials are obtained legally and ethically, respecting who owns them. For students studying history, understanding these practices helps you analyze sources better. When you see sensitive or controversial topics, think about why some information might be private. Be honest in your work by including all evidence and avoid unfair judgments. Managing your time well when researching and citing sources helps you stay accurate and respectful. By following these rules, historians help keep the study of history trustworthy and respectful. This approach makes sure we learn from the past in a way that honors everyone involved.